Are you looking to boost your income without quitting your day job? Do you want to know the online side hustles that can make you some serious money in 2024? In this video, we're diving into the most profitable online side hustles that you can start right now, even if you're a complete beginner. Stick around until the end for some invaluable tips and a special resource that could change your financial future. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please give the video a like. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get started. Let's start with tip number 1, freelance writing. Freelance writing is a fantastic way to earn money online in 2024. Websites like Upwork.com and Fiverr.com allow you to create a profile and start bidding on writing gigs. Whether it's blog posts, articles, or even web content, businesses always need high quality writing. Now, to get started, I recommend that you build a quality portfolio by writing sample pieces on different topics that you're passionate about. As you gain some clients and positive reviews, you can increase your rates. For example, you could start by charging $20 per article and eventually move up to $100 or more as your experience starts to grow. Remember, niches like technology or finance often pay higher rates due to the specialized knowledge that is often required. Let's now move on to tip number 2, online tutoring. Online tutoring is another lucrative side hustle, especially with the rise of remote learning. Platforms like Chegg and Tutor.com connect you with students all over the world who need help in various subjects. You can tutor anything from maths and science to language and even music. Now, to excel in tutoring, I recommend that you create a detailed profile highlighting your expertise and your given experience. Offering a free trial session can attract more students, so I highly recommend that you do this. For instance, if you're skilled in mathematics, you could help high school students prepare for exams and charge around $30 to $60 per hour. Consistency and building a rapport with your students will ensure repeat business and referrals. Let's now move on to tip number 3, start an e-commerce store. Starting an e-commerce store has never been easier thanks to platforms like Shopify and Etsy. You can sell physical products, digital downloads, or you could even sell handmade crafts. I recommend that you identify a niche market that is very high in demand, where there's a demand but not overwhelming competition. For example, if you have a knack for design, you could sell custom t-shirts or printable planners. Use social media marketing to drive traffic to your store and engage with your potential customers. I recommend that you invest a decent amount of time in learning SEO, which is search engine optimization, and utilizing tools like Google Analytics, which can also help you understand what's working on your online store and where you need to improve. Let's now move on to tip number 4, start affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a very powerful way to earn passive income online. By promoting products or services on your blog, your YouTube channel, or your social media, such as your Pinterest, your Instagram, your Facebook, or even TikTok, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. I recommend that you join several affiliate programs such as Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank to help you get started. I recommend you create high quality content that adds lots of value and naturally incorporates your affiliate links within the content. For example, if you run a tech blog, you could review tech gadgets and include affiliate links to where readers can purchase them from online. You can track your performance to see which strategies work best, and then you can simply adjust accordingly to maximize your affiliate earnings. Let's now move on to tip number 5, online courses and ebooks. If you have expertise and knowledge in a particular field, I recommend that you consider creating an online course or writing an ebook on that particular topic. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it very easy to upload and sell your online courses. Similarly, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing also allows you to publish and sell your own ebooks. I recommend that you choose a topic that you're knowledgeable and very passionate about. For example, if you're a marketing expert, I recommend that you create a course on social media strategies, or you could even write an ebook on digital marketing tips. I then suggest that you promote your products through your website and your social media channels to reach a wider audience and to generate more sales. Let's now move on to tip number 6, start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping remains one of the most profitable online side hustles due to its low upfront costs and scalability. You can set up an online store without holding any inventory. When a customer makes a purchase, the supplier simply ships the product directly to them. I recommend that you focus on high demand products and use platforms like Shopify to manage your online store. Let me give you an example. Let me tell you about Jane. Jane, for instance, she started a dropshipping business selling eco-friendly products. Now, by using social media marketing and SEO strategies, Jane grew her store's monthly revenue to over $10,000 within only 6 months. I recommend that you research trending products and you invest in digital marketing to drive traffic to your online dropshipping store. Let's now move on to tip number 7, start a print-on-demand business. Print-on-demand allows you to sell custom designed products without having to worry about inventory or shipping the actual product. You can create unique designs for t-shirts, mugs, and so many more things, and when someone orders, the printing company handles the rest of the fulfillment. I recommend that you use platforms like Printful or Teespring, which can help you get started with print on demand. Let me give you an example. Lisa is a graphic designer and she turned her passion for art into a very profitable side hustle by creating niche designs for pet lovers and promoting them on her social media channels. She managed to build a steady stream of income. I recommend that you focus on creating designs that resonate with specific audiences, which can help you to maximize your sales. Now that you know the most profitable online side hustles for 2024, it's time to take action. Now, the next thing to do, click the link in the description box below this video and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com to explore our comprehensive online courses and resources. They're perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business and will help you to generate an income online. So take action and click the link below now to learn more. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please give the video a thumbs up because that really does motivate me to create more great content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description box below this video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.